Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different crafty activities. Let's begin with the first one. First we are trimming off the plastic bottle and you have created the different patterns out of it. Again trimming them, and with the help of this lighter you are just softening the edges that are sharper and can hurt anybody, and these are giving the original look to this petal type of the area as they are bending in a natural way. After that, with the help of the hot glue gun, we are just fixing together the trimmed off petals, and now it's time to insert some of the lights, fairy lights, and it looks quite beautiful. Let's now move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create this funny rabbit. For this one, you just have to take some sheets of the paper, make a jumpy type of the appearance, place the face and the rest of the features. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here you can see we are making use of the plastic gloves, and then we are making some of the patterns and we are blowing air from this cup, and it looks quite easy and quite good also. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further with our another activity. We are taking these two stripes, placing them in the 90-degree and making these type of the pump and the shockers. After that, we are making some of the leaves, and it's time to make some of the frogs. And now we are just making the faces and placing them over it. It looks so good. A pond full of frogs, and in the background here are some tiny fish. Let's move further and try to make these 3D characters. For this one, you may require a clay and some of the cuttings of this earbud, and you have to just place them, and these will look like the appendage and connectors for the head and the rest of the body. You have to make the eyes and the rest of the features. Let's move further with our another activity. Here you may have to make the bunny, and after that you just have to trim down its features and fix them properly. You may require this plastic cup, and then you have to place the straws for the connectors. These are the empty cardboard boxes that we have trimmed already, and inside it we are placing this type of the sheet. Now we are making a cute little cat and filling it with some of the bright colors, trimming it off, and after that placing it over this, and then you can see we are placing these tiny type of the stripes. There we have made the different types of the things. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here we have already traced down the sum of cuttings and the markings. Now we are placing this bunny inside this shocker that we have created. It looks quite easy and quite good. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are taking the egg and cutting down the shell and just breaking off the yolk, and after that filling it the shell only with the colors and placing a tissue inside it with the water, and you can play with it all the day. You can just make the characters out of it like we are here making unicorn and the different ones. Let's try to make these light full of the rabbits, and for this we are again making use of the empty eggshell and trimming it off, making some of the rest of the features with the help of this permanent marker. Once you are done with making the different things, you just have to place a light inside it. Let's move further and try to make this carrot. For this one, you just have to make a cone. After that, you just have to make a tassel type of the look that's going to represent the upper portion, greedy area of the cone, and the carrot is ready. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this rabbit. For this one, first we have traced out the rabbit, trim it off, and just cover the whole area with the help of the sellotape, and inside we have placed a balloon. For this one, you may require the plastic cup, that's a disposable one. From the lower portion, we are placing the balloons, and the these will pop up from the upward direction. Thank you for watching.